with the elephant in the room.
The glamour is real, but it comes with years of unglamorous work,
How fast can I make serious money?
and that doesn't happen in real life. The traders who got rich quick either got very lucky on one trade, or
What does it realistically take?
the number one mistake that people commit is
What's the actual edge?
emotion should not control your trade.
Everyone watching this wants to know one thing. So, the secret is
I think you have reserved the best question for last.
Welcome to Forex Unfiltered, where we skip the textbook and get to the real stuff.
my guest today. I'm not going to give a long bio because honestly, the market already did that for him. Publicly called moves that most analysts missed, helped readers see what was coming before it came, and has the kind of track record that makes you want to sit down and take notes. Ashmeet, welcome to the show.
Thanks, Shimang. Very happy to be here. Let's get into it. I don't even like long intros. It was just right trading setup at right time. That's what I will say.
Okay, let's start with the elephant in the room. Lamborghinis, Rolex watches, laptop on a beach. Is trading actually that life, or is that the world's most successful lie?
I would like to point these views are personal. My personal views, not pointing towards anybody. But these Lambo guy made more money selling a course than trading themselves. Real trading looks like staring at charts 7 a.m. in the morning in your pajamas, cautioning your life choices. The glamour is real, but it comes with years of unglamorous work. Most traders, I know that they are disciplined to the time to the point that they are boring themselves. Their lifestyle is consistent, doing the same thing over and over again. I know they are very disciplined in their life. They have no impulsive decisions, strict journaling, treating every loss like a data point.
So, the dream is real.
It's just the timeline that's a lie.
Yeah, they don't show you years of hard work. Nobody posts 2 years of blown account uh, before their Lambos, at least. The destination is real for sure, but process, way, and shortcut that they highlight, that doesn't exist.
Everyone watching this wants to know one thing. How fast can I make serious money? Give it to us straight.
Straight answer: slower than you think, faster than most investment. If you actually know what you're doing, the math is simple. Maybe on a good investment month or decent, it will make you 5 to 15% monthly return. On 1 grand of account, it might be $52. You can't quit your job on that. The traders who got rich quick either got very lucky on one trade, or their lucks run out, or they started with significant capital. That can be also the case. However, from my perspective, I think compounding is real story. Consistent 5 to 8% monthly return on growing account over 2 to 3 years, that's what real story is. If you are doing that consistently, then generally that's life changing. But most people, they want their month one like their year 3, so that can't happen, and that doesn't happen in real life.
So, it's compounding game, not a lottery ticket.
Hmm. Lottery rewards are for those people who haven't studied probabilities. Trading rewards the process, not hope. The fastest way to grow an account is actually to focus on not losing it first. And then you will grow eventually if you are consistent with your work.
The dream. No boss, no office, no Monday morning meetings. Can trading actually get someone there? And what does it realistically take?
It definitely can. But number one mistake that people commit is quitting their 9 to 5 job first. Quitting your job to figure out trading is like quitting the gym before you can do a push up and entering a bodybuilding competition. So it doesn't happen in that way. You need to be very smart about the process that you are doing, the path that you are going to take. Trade alongside with your income that you are having, right? Prove consistency for 12 to 18 months, build your capital base, then make the switch. There's nobody stopping you there. Most full-time traders spent around 2 to 4 years building their edge before going solo. So year one, you are just paying school fees to the market. Consider in that tangent. And year 2, you're finding your rhythm. Year 3 is the one when you scale.
So the 9 to 5 funds, the dream before the dream fund itself.
Yeah, that's exactly it. Your salary is your seed capital or your safety net simultaneously. Don't burn both at once. Keep one and then build another one parallelly. For example, Olympus Capital has traders at every stage, from demo account to full time professional. The infrastructure scales with you. You are following the entire process alongside.
Studies say around 70 to 80% of retail traders lose money. What are they all doing wrong?
I don't say I don't think everybody is doing everything wrong, but there might be few gaps there that if they fix those gaps, they might be doing better. For instance, over leveraging. If you're using one into 500 and you're a beginner, I think you're doing it wrong. You should not go that aggressive initially, and start slow with less leverage. Then you can scale it to 1 is to 500 when you're confident and your trading setup is been there. Then another is no risk management, risking 20 to 30% of account on a single trade because they are sure that is not how it should be. It should be very less compared to the account size. So ratio should be comparative to the account size. You should not look at your friend and say they are doing $100. They are doing $100 on their $10,000 account. So you should be looking at that perspective from your account size uh, comparison. And lastly, which I think is one of the most critical, is revenge trading. People, they are not sure about what they are trading, and if they went ahead with their setup, they lose their trade, then they add more money to make that money back, which is absolutely wrong strategy. You are getting greedy to get your money back, but it should be completely different, or in fact opposite. You should be more patient and manage your risk, then go ahead with your new trading setup.
Revenge trading. I feel like that deserves its own therapy session.
It genuinely do. I genuinely do. Please, I think we should have another podcast on revenge trading, because I've seen many traders and it really hurts. I'm seeing day in, day out people adding more money to make their money back. And it's like, I saw some reel as well that they are enticing people to give $5, they are giving 10 back, and then they are asking for again. People are then putting more money, but they're not getting it back. It happens. Emotions should not control your trade. You should control your trade, right?
Okay, the real question, what's the actual edge? What do consistently profitable traders do that the 80% don't?
Honestly, I think they do less. They take less trades. They just wait for correct session, wait for multiple indicators that they think right, clean structure, and then they sit there on their hands for the rest of the time. Most beginners think more trades means more money, but it actually equals more fees and more emotional decisions. So the other thing I would say, like, that is one. Another thing I would say that journal everything. Note down your trades, every trade, every emotion, every mistake that you are committing. The market gives you same lessons over and over until you write them down and actually learn.
So, the secret is patience and a notebook. Somehow less exciting than I expected.
Yeah, the best trades are boring to execute. I mean, the exciting ones are usually the dangerous one. So if your heart is pacing while you're doing the trade, that means it's not a good sign. I mean, maybe you are not confident on your trade, maybe session is wrong or something is not right. That's why your heart is pacing.
Last question. One piece of advice for someone watching this who wants to start, what do you tell them?
I think you've reserved the best question for last. I think start with demo. That's what I suggest to everyone. Not because money isn't real, but because your habits are. Build your rights habit on demo. Understand why you win and lose. Get hundreds of trade before you go live. Market has been around for centuries. It will be there when you are ready. So don't need to rush. Rushing in unprepared way is the only way you can guarantee you won't win. You know, you can start right now. Many brokers like Olympus Capital itself, they are offering free demo on their live MT5 accounts. Real conditions, but zero risk. Build your edge before you build your own account. That's how most of the traders, successful traders now that started their journey, have built their entire portfolio from starting demo account, and I think everybody should do that.
Ashmeet, this was genuinely one of the most honest conversations about trading I've had on this show. Thank you for keeping it real.
Thank you so much, Shivang, and to all the viewers and future traders, please manage your risk. Trading is beautiful journey. Don't spoil it with unnecessary risk. Start carefully, and your profits will be following you. Don't worry. Thank you.
So, guys, if you like the video today, share it with someone who wants to start their trading journey. And for starting your demo trading account, you can check out our link in description for Olympus Capital. See you again on the next episode of Forex Unfiltered.